Hello, Brasolic gang. Welcome back. Or if you are new, then just welcome. I know that I missed Tuesday's video, but then I ended up getting a package from IGel Beauty, and I figured why not unbox this on camera together. So I actually ended up like messing up this video because I was recording, but my phone wasn't recording. So this is just everything that I got: four gel polishes, some nail glue, and stickers. Um, it turns out that I was actually missing this piece, and when I took out the nail glue from my drawer, my top coat spilled all over the box. So that's why you see that in this like little clip. But this is the nail glue that I actually buy to give out in all my kits. I know that a lot of you guys have always asked me like, what is the best nail glue? And I say the best nail glue is what you could get at an affordable price. So I believe that I paid around $80 for everything that you're seeing. And they usually have the 60% off, which is when I buy these nail glues. And this is just how I keep them. So yeah, these are the nail stickers, which are 008 on their website. And I have to say that I love iGel stickers. In a little bit, you're gonna see like all of them that I have. And I usually buy at least two or three of them, just in case I come out with a new style to put on the website. I want to make sure that I have a lot of the same stickers, I guess. And this is just my little collection. As I said, I usually buy like two or three, and I just love the color. So I'm also missing a clip of me like taking out the gel polish, but this color is called Witching Hour. I will say that the first coat is more, I guess, sheer, but once you put another layer of gel, this is the color. And again, it's called Witching Hour. It's a black with a lot of glitter, and honestly I really like this color. And I'm really not a fan of like black nail polish, but I definitely loved that color. This one's called Miss Kelly, and it's more of kind of like a, I don't know, it's more of like a teal and a green put together. It was overall a really nice color, and I do recommend it if you are looking to get some eye gel polishes. And you guys know that I love eye gel. Like, I literally spent so much money last year in building my collection. I still try to find space for eye gel, especially like in my small room. So the Alex drawers really do help me to stay organized and try and fit all of my eye gel. So here we're just putting on the second layer, and you can see that it gives it so much pigment. And I also really like this consistency of this gel polish. I will say that the only downfall of eye gel is that sometimes the consistency of the same color can be a little bit off. Hopefully they work on that in the future. So finally, I was able to get Belair, which everybody had Belair, and every time I was going to put in an order, they never had the color. So when I first did the swatch, which you're gonna see now, I kind of felt like Belair and Miss Kelly was almost the same color, but you could definitely see the difference. And in the end of this video, you're also going to see kind of like slow-mo videos and them up close. Um, and this Belair is more of a light teal color, where Miss Kelly is more of like a green. So you could definitely tell the difference. Also, if you are new here, then I highly suggest for you to join the Pressaholic gang. Here we talk about everything press-on nails, press-on nail business, nail art. We do a whole bunch of stuff. I've even had some companies reach out that want us to do some reviews, so that's super exciting. We are almost at 10K, which I thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to this channel and have been with me since day one. I really do love y'all, and I'm really trying to reach 20K by the end of the year. So I'm manifesting like crazy. I really hope to reach 20K. I'm also doing a really big giveaway coming soon. I'm actually collaborating with someone, so you definitely don't want to miss that, and I don't want you to miss that. So here we are doing Aqua Sky, which I have to admit was not my favorite. It was giving me very much watery consistency. I will say that with the second coat, it came out really nice. It was cute. I really like this color, but I did feel like I really needed to put a lot of product on it just to give it the, I guess, the pigment that like I really wanted it to be like opaque. I really hope that that made sense. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this haul. I heard all of your comments about the back to basics videos, and I'm definitely working hard on that. Next up will be the Amazon haul, and after that we are redoing my nail space together. So here are the swatches. Let me know which ones were your favorite. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.